Many homeowners think of weeds as blemishes in turf grass or unwanted plants in landscaping, but they can also grow in the smallest cracks or openings in your property's pavement. Not only do weeds in driveways and sidewalks look bad, but these plants will make cracks larger over time as they grow and expand. In this video, we'll go over how to get rid of weeds in your driveway and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about weed control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. Weeds are opportunistic plants that grow when certain conditions are met. Paved areas like driveways are surprisingly accommodating and often provide ideal spots for weeds to grow. Soil, dust, and debris will fill the cracks in pavement over time. Eventually, enough organic matter builds up, creating a suitable substrate for many weeds to establish themselves in. Paved areas, especially those made of concrete or asphalt, will heat up in warm weather and direct sunlight. These materials retain heat well and provide certain weeds with high temperatures and consistent heat to stay active. After rain or irrigation, water can soak into the soil. Normally, you'd expect it to dry or evaporate, but water can become trapped underneath pavement slabs and accumulate. Plants can access this water by sending roots deep underneath the slab. Weeds, like dandelions, that grow in driveway cracks may have thick taproots. This makes mechanical control difficult, as simply trimming the weed away doesn't kill the taproot in the soil. Even if you try to dig the weed out, there's a chance a small piece of the taproot will break off and remain in the soil for the plant to grow back from. The best way to kill weeds growing in driveway cracks is to use a non-selective herbicide like Eraser. Non-selective herbicides like Eraser will kill any plant it is applied to. When applied properly, the chemical will translocate throughout the plant all the way to its roots, killing the plant and its roots entirely. In turf, you'd have to worry about accidentally applying the product to the grass around the weed, but in pavement, that worry is non-existent. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To use Eraser, mix 2.5 fluid ounces of the product with water to make 1 gallon of solution and use it to treat up to 300 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer. Be sure to mark this sprayer for non-selective herbicide use only to prevent cross-contamination in the future. Spot treat any weed you've found growing in pavement cracks and crevices. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weeds to the point of wet but not runoff. For weeds that are close to other plants, use a barrier to prevent the product from drifting. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. Any tougher weeds that may be remaining need to be removed manually. Once all weeds have been removed from the pavement cracks, seal the cracks with sealant, concrete mix, or stabilizing sand. Sealing the cracks prevents seeds from falling into them and growing the weeds back out again. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove weeds quickly and easily, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.